And then you can see Turtle Island, you can start to see that the head is coming out. We go further south and it's more defined. The beaches are my favorite spots. My name is Brian Misavage. I'm from the United States. I especially like living in the close proximity to the young dramatic mountains and the vast sea, which is quite different than my hometown with its old rounded and worn foothills of Appalachia. I got a job working for an elementary school nearby, and they wanted me to teach ceramics to the kids. So I thought it would be a great opportunity for them to learn that they can use their local materials, and we can go to the local mountain and try to get clay from the mountain there. So they had an extra bonus to themselves that they could learn how to use the land around them. Been here now about a year and a half. I just enjoy going to the beach, so I think about the beach and I think about Turtle Island. Before, when I was making pieces, I was using more of a earth tone palette, and now it's become a little bit more shiny and a little bit more colorful. So it's reflecting from the colors in the ocean, the sky, the clouds. So the treasures that I find, on the bottom of my piece, you can see the reflection of the shells. You'll see this pattern also on the beach. The water runs in and the water runs out. It'll make these ridges in the sand. For me, I draw a lot of inspiration from nature. You're experiencing nature. So whenever I'm climbing a mountain or on a beach, I don't really care for symmetry so much. I like things to be more organic. They don't have to be perfect. So if I just take some clay and I can stretch it so that it's not a perfect circle. Instead I can stretch it out. I think this is more interesting to me. I don't like rules. I go to the beach. I'm looking for cockle shells because I can use these when I fire my pieces. To leave a nice imprint of the shell on the surface of the piece. It's an important detail because that informs my work in a different way.